Well, fix it time. You guys watched that last kayak video, you know, a little bit of a rudder issue there. The pin that actually holds the rudder on this Feelfree lure somehow managed to work itself out, and now it's on the bottom of that lake somewhere. So, this is what we're dealing with. Contacted Feelfree literally the day that I got back, and within a day I had a response, and within a day they sent me a brand new pin. So let's get this thing put back on. Let's go. Be a fairly easy install here. What I should have done before, and when I didn't, is I should have put blue thread lock in here. So there was no possible way that that thing could work its way out. It's got a little screw and a pin that locks up into this. Well, the moment that screw comes loose or wiggles its loose, this pin falls out and falls down and is gone. It's not the greatest design, but it is what it is. Put a little blue thread lock on the end of this screw right here. And then when we tighten it back down again, it should not come out at all. So. Anybody that knows thread lock? Blue thread lock is semi-permanent, so if I ever need to get it out, I should be able to get it out with just a little bit of force and like a pair of pliers. This pin comes up through the bottom, and then it should just attach right onto this screw. That's a tight fit, man. I'm telling you. You really want to do this before you install this cable, because now the cable is getting caught up in my screwdriver. I want to make it too tight because we want this to be able to turn freely. And if it's too tight, it's not going to turn freely. But I do not want that thing to come out again because that was a pain in the butt. I want it to be snug. I want it to be able to move freely. That's pretty good right there. Well, that wasn't too bad. Sure this works. We're back in business. So, rudder's back in. pins back in. Let that blue thread lock set, and that should be good. Should never come out again. So, shout out to Feelfree customer service. Seriously, guys, awesome. They have been super helpful. I've contacted them a couple of times about this rudder. Nothing but good stuff to say about them. Thanks for watching. Till next time, guys. Tight lines.